Hi everyone, this is Aya from Foyr Neo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the pan feature in 3D and render mode. So to start off, we will be going into 3D mode. Now, as I fix my camera and kind of have it the right angle, you can see how low I am. So to help me fix my view, I will come into the pan option, and that lets me click and drag down. That lets me go up, and I can look around at my space a bit more clearly. Now, it won't let you angle your camera, but it lets you, as you can see, move up and down and side to side if you did want that. So if I got the height that I want, I can then press the escape key and use just the normal mouse to then angle my camera just as I normally would. So this is like really helpful when you are in render mode. So we'll just come in here when you're wanting to set your perfect view. So let's say I'm over here, but I want to turn around and face that way. I will come into pan mode, and I'll kind of angle my camera like that, press escape, and then I can just fix my angle like that. Yeah, and that way I've got the view that I want. I can also go ahead with this view and then back into pen. Maybe if I want to show the ceiling details, I'll raise my view up a little bit higher. That way I can see more of the detail up there and take advantage of that, and then take my rendering that way. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and happy designing.